Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about a topic that is data types of data structure. Data types means permitted data values and its operations. First one is Boolean. Boolean values have two possible states such as true or false. In the binary system, the values 0 and 1 are used. Integer. The integer data type stores both positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0. Floating point numbers. So floating data type approximates real values using the formula in order to allow the trade-off range between and precision. Then character stores a single character such as a or 1. Fixed point numbers. The binary numbers are used to store numbers in digital electronics, a fixed length string of bits, ones and zeros in a binary word. Pointers stores a reference to another value in memory. String stores a sequence of characters such as hello world. What are data type specifiers? The format specifier is a string used in the formatted input and output functions. The format string determines the format of the input and output. The format string always starts with percentage character. Format, so this is percentage D. Let's say this is percentage D. This is a format specifier and the data type is int. So the size is 4 or 2 to 4 bytes, and it means that it stores all the whole numbers without decimals. Then percentage F, it can be small letter or big letter. It means float, and it is of 4 bytes. Stores fractional numbers containing one or more decibels. For example, 1.99 or any other like with the decimals. Sufficient for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. Percentage elif, that means double. It means double bytes, like 8 bytes. Stores the fractional numbers containing one or more decimal numbers, but the sufficient for storing 15 decimal digits. Then percentage C, that means character, 1 byte is the size of the character, stores the single character, letter or number or any ASCII values. For example, single A. So this is the example from C language. Here we use this percentage D and it defines that the value is 6. It is taken from here, which we have initialized. If you like our video, do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.